Time for a flip. Still moist. It's coming along nicely. Man, that smells good. Whew. What's happening, my peeps? What we gonna do today is a beef chuck roast. Smoke it, turn it to some beef tacos. How about that? Everybody love tacos. That's one thing that gets everybody going. Get a protein, and you turn it into tacos, and somehow it becomes magical. This thing get about 2.5 pounds, not too big, but enough. All right. So we're gonna do a little simple seasoning here. Do some taco seasoning, a little hickory molasses, some garlic, extra garlic, pepper, olive oil for the binding. Make it super simple. Let's get it started like hammer. This is a beautiful looking piece of meat. Got that taco seasoning. Let's go with 2 teaspoons of that. It's got like 16% sodium in there. So we're gonna make it like a little sweet meat. We're gonna use Kinder's hickory molasses. So do roughly about a full tablespoon of that on the head. I want a little more extra garlic flavor. I'll do roughly 3/4 of a tablespoon of that. I'm just freestyling. And I want a little more presence of pepper in here. Not too much. Just a teaspoon of pepper. Let's get it mixed up here. We're gonna make it all one. Somehow, y'all, I just found this somewhere. I guess Shawana had bought these or something. This little spoon has become pretty much like my favorite tool. This little old spoon. Oh, yeah. It be doing its job. Some olive oil on there. Side 1. Olive oil side 2. So that's only roughly about a tablespoon of olive oil. All right, let's get the seasoning in this baby. Oh man, it's looking good already. Just gonna give it a nice Mexican and smoky flair all at the same time. Gonna be a rookie. Y'all know how we do. We forget the size sometimes. When we paying attention, we ain't gonna forget our size. Man, that sounds like a great t-shirt idea. Don't forget the size. Get it all up in these crevices here. All right, my peeps, we're gonna let that hang out. Sit there for about a couple of hours. We're gonna go fire up the smoker, and it's gonna be delicious. Man, look at that. Oh, turn my meter this way. Got the meter 2 probe up in there. We're gonna take it up to about 165. Then we're gonna take it off, throw it in some foil, let it get tenderized. So it's probably gonna be on here for about 2 hours. So I'll catch y'all back for a flip, and then we take it off and wrap it, get it tenderized and juicy. Time for a flip. Still moist. It's coming along nicely. Man, that smells good. Another hour, y'all. We're gonna throw it in the foil. 2 hours, y'all. It's time to flip. we gonna let it do. We're gonna let it braise in its own juice. It's sealed tight. It is hot. All right, let it go to 203. We'll be back. All right, y'all, it is time to eat. Let's make these delicious tacos, y'all. Got its own juices right there. We didn't have to add any liquid. Ooh. Ha, 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 ha. Yeah. I think these is gonna be some bomb tacos. I'm gonna let it cool down a little more, and then bam, I'm gonna go with the tacos. I got my guacamole. I got my salsa, my corn tortillas, and my pepper jack cheese. And we got the pan warming up. We got some limes. We ready, baby. It's about to be a party. All right, let it cool down a little more, and we about to eat some tacos. Mm-hmm. This meat is good. Right, I am probably gonna put a little more finishing salt on there with the Lawry's, just a tad. But yeah, other than that, it is perfect. All right, let's get ready to party. All right, go like that. Let's get the meat on there right away. It's about enough, ain't it? About enough. That's a tad bit more now. A little more. So you ain't gotta depend on restaurants to do that for you. You know what I'm saying? You make it the way you want to. Go ahead. Put a little of that au jus in there with it. Got a little teamwork action going on. Mango salsa here, y'all. This is what you call delicious and nutritious. You see all them nice colors, you can't help but want to eat it, right? You know what you're doing, young whippersnapper? Guacamole on each one of them. Boom. We rolling. Oh man. Let's see what we got.
It's good to you.
Man. There ain't no other way to eat this. Man. Well, y'all see how it's done. I'm about to finish up eating.